Hello, after watching this video, you will know how you can import Rhino environments and query them from Rhino model to Grasshopper for further processing. We'll be using import model environment and query model environments components, which you can find in the Rhino tab's render section. Now, what is the environment? In plain terms, it's the area or the background in which your model exists in that contains background images and color maps and lighting. For example, this is now a studio background, but if I right click on the RDJ window environment and set it for all environment channels, my background is going to change. And also the lighting on my model. Of course, this applies when you are using a rendered view. I will change back to studio environment. Let's get to examples. Here on the right, I have a Rhino viewport with a model open and the environments tab from the toolbar. I have currently added 3 environments to the model. Using query model environments, I can get all the environments from the model to Grasshopper. You can use a match method input modifier to create filters for the environments. If I set this to contains and connect the studio input, I'll be collecting all the environments that have the studio text in their name. If I change this to equals and connect this Rhino Studio 8 panel, I will collect the environment that is called Rhino Studio 8. I can then continue with the model environment in Grasshopper. To import model environment to Rhino, you need to connect a file path to the component. If you don't know where your default Rhino environment file folder is, you can go to the Environments tab, click here on the plus, and open the environment library. Then you can copy the path from here, or you can right click on an RENV file and copy as path from here. If I want to add the environment, I can connect the model environment to a content cache and baked content. Now we have added a new environment to Rhino. Which is also, of course, visible in our query model environments component. If I want to add another, I can connect another file path and bake this also. You can even see the reflections of the background on the glass surface. You can also create a model environment container and right-click to set it to an environment that already exists in your model. That is all for now. If you learned something, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. I will see you in the next. Thank you for watching.